If you've ever wondered how designers create smooth color transitions that feel effortless, today's session is for you. We're diving into the gradient tool, a deceptively simple feature with incredible depth. When you select the tool, your first stop is the gradient editor, where you can blend any colors you want. Don't rush this part. Your entire visual mood lives here. After choosing your colors, drag across your canvas to define direction and intensity. Want a radial effect? Try the circular gradient for spotlight-like visuals. For a sleek modern look, experiment with subtle shifts instead of high-contrast blends. If you're working on text, apply gradients inside letters using clipping masks, creating a polished, professional appearance. Whether you're designing thumbnails, backgrounds, or UI, gradients bring a level of sophistication